Hello, my name is Lily Bringleson, and my dreams for the future is to be either a middle school or high school PE teacher, and I would also love to coach the field hockey team for that school as well. I put down strength, friendship, and knowledge because I believe all of those things are necessary for me to achieve this dream. Strength, so that I would be a good role model to show like this is the like positives of having good fitness. Friendship, so that I would be able to develop a great community with like the teachers around me, my students, and the likes. And then finally, knowledge of physical education, so then I would be able to obviously teach it to the students so that they can grow up and live a healthy lifestyle.